Sustainable agriculture practices. Sustainable agriculture is a way of farming that aims to produce food while ensuring that the environment, economic profitability, and social equity are maintained for the long term. It works by using practices that conserve resources, protect ecosystem, and support the well-being of farmers and communities. Sustainable agriculture practices includes the crop rotation, agroforestry, cover crops, permaculture, water conservation, and many more. These practices help to ensure that farming remains productive and sustainable over the long term. Agriculture often places significant pressure on natural resources and the environment. Sustainable agricultural practices are intended to protect the environment, expand the Earth's natural resource base, and maintain and improve the soil fertility. Based on multi-pronged goal, sustainable agriculture seek to increase the profitable farm income and promote environmental stewardship, enhance quality of life for farm families and communities, and lastly, to increase the production for human food and fiber needs.
Importance of sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture frequently encompasses a wide range of production practices, including conventional and organic. A regionally integrated system of plant and animal production practices are designed to produce long-term results. So, importante jud ang sustainable agriculture sa pagkakaroon kay aron ang production is permanente, aron pud ang dili lang kita ang makahimulo sa area kundi laki pud ang atong mga sumusunod puhon. Production of efficient human food, feed, fiber, and fuel to meet these needs of sharply rising population. Importance of sustainable agriculture mao ni ang naguna sakto nga produksyon sa human food or feed, fuel ug uban pang mga kinahanglanon sa agrikultura sa pagkalit sa pagdako sa populasyon. Protection of the environment and expansion of the natural resources supply. So ang ikaduha is maproteksyonan po niya ang sustainable agriculture sa pagdako sa mga natural resources supply. Then ang ikatulo is statement of the economic viability of agriculture system.
Environmental considerations in commodity production include factors such as use of natural resources, waste disposal, pollution, biodiversity impact, and climate change. So these factors are all important because they can give a significant impact in our environment. For example, the use of natural resources can lead to depletion or sa depletion kay kuan reduction in number of quantity of something. And also waste disposal can lead to pollution, and pollution can harm our biodiversity, and climate change can have wide-ranging impacts on the environment. That's why dapat i-manage ato ang commodity production para minimize ang mga negative impact sa atong environment. There are the factors of environmental considerations in commodity production. First is the use of natural resources. The production of commodities often requires the use of natural resources such as water, soil, and minerals. Overuse and misuse of these resources can lead to depletion and degradation. So if ma-overuse na to ang kaning natural resources, kay maka-cause ni siya decrease sa supply sa atong mga natural resources. Number 2 is waste disposal. The production process generates waste which needs to be disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. Improper disposal can lead to soil and water pollution. So, kailangan nato ay proper disposal ng atong mga waste para dito maka-cause og problema such as soil and water pollution. Number 3 is pollution. Production processes can emit pollutants into the air, water, and soil. These pollutants can have harmful effects on human health and the environment. So, kailangan nato i-manage ang atong mga waste para dito maka-cause of pollution.
So next is biodiversity impact. No? So what is the consequence? The production of certain commodities can have a significant impact on local ecosystems and biodiversity. So, kaning example, kaning deforestation. So this deforestation, we have to sacrifice a certain ecosystem or a biodiversity in order to cultivate land. Cultivate a crop. And this leads to loss of natural habitat of many species. We cut down trees, and that leads to no more habitat of the birds. No, example lang ana. Unless we kaning cultivate mga tree crops. An example of biodiversity impact is the climate change. No? So climate change, the production of some commodities, particularly those involving the burning of fossil fuels, contributes to climate change. Mitigating these effects is a key environmental considerations. So what comes to our mind when we hear of fossil fuels? No? This includes ato mga gasolina o mga krudo. So we know that every machinery used in agriculture is mainly run by fuels, no? So it kaning mag-produce siya carbon dioxide and eventually go to the atmosphere and harm the ozone layer. That is another factor na makaguba po sa atong biodiversity. Not just only in atmosphere or the ozone layer but also for the living organisms. Next is the certification and labeling schemes. Certification provides a guarantee of compliance with the best practices established by the certifier. It's an important way for producers to position their products in the market and demonstrate that their products meet certain standards. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, consumers are demanding more information about their food is produced and whether it meets their expectation for quality and safety. So certification daw is kanang unsay mga standard na mapasok sa market or sa farm or sa mga tao. So diri na mosulod na ang gobyerno. They are the certifier. So we have the DTI, the DA, and uban pang mga ahensya sa gobyerno para sila may mag-certification sa atong mga product. Dili po ta patakag supply or produce or cultivate na wala napasok sa standard. Another example is kanang sa DTI or sa DNR. Kana sila, when you produce or kanang nakaibuhaton, you cannot just do your own. You have to certify or they should be guarantee a certification ana para mabuhat nimo.
Next, the benefits of a certification in agriculture. So, naapay 3 types of benefits about sa agriculture. The first, improve quality. The second, reduce risks of the food safety issues. And the last, increase market access. So, next is sustainability. No, certification can also lead the companies in towards the greater profitability if they are able to charge, no, hires the price for their goods do largest. The product apes has sustainability, no, often preserves as a hires of more typically of produced the perception of companies to the difference the branches and appear to consume who prioritized. And thank you.